Hi, this is Donnie and Angela from And More Art.
And today it's A versus D. And we'll show you how we made these with alcohol ink and resin.
Yeah, that's right. We decided to booze up our resin with some alcohol inks because I thought it would be fun for some weird reason. I don't know.
It was fun.
Made for some cool stuff. And if you like the way they look, stick around. We're going to show you how we made them.
Do you know what colors you want?
No. What colors do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah. I'm going to bet you pick something purple.
Well, now I can't.
How many colors should I do per thing?
Am I supposed to help you?
No. I don't know. Is this like a friendly head-to-head or more like a kind of head-to-head?
Good day for us. Well done. Now go.
Here's the thing, people. We're not very good with alcohol inking.
I'm going to pretend like I've ever done it.
You haven't done it.
I haven't. I've never once done alcohol ink.
That was creepy. Cut that out. So we have this, Pool, Wild Plum, Pink Sherbet.
So, yeah. White. Danger. Or stream. Whatever. Gold. Currant. Currant? Currant. Currant? Currant.
I just didn't like the Currant.
Currant.
Currant. We
Currant.
should have Google voiced this.
Currant. Nailed it.
Currant.
So, did you like spoon feed your canvas or did you just pour it on?
I just pour it on.
Let's pretend that I've never done this before.
Oh, way too much.
What?
Way too much.
Oh no. Should I just pour it back in?
You could pour it on your other canvas. Fire?
I get to play with fire and alcohol at the same time?
No. Ooh, maybe we should use the heat gun.
That sounds less fun.
I still see bubbles. We should do this.
We?
Yeah, you never let me do it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, this is how we died.
Want some?
Yeah. I like that we're just passing flames around. Real weird. Alright, so.
Donnie.
What?
Get this hair.
What's happening?
This hair is driving me crazy.
Gimme. There's so much dust flying around. We're gonna have to just like pretend
I didn't
it's not
spray
there.
the air.
Ah, we have a fan on and stuff.
The fan is for safety. What's so funny?
Yeah, because we're super safe. Playing with fire next to alcohol, we are safe.
It's not fair for only one of us to wear a respirator.
Right. So what's the plan?
Do your thing.
Should we have like a round one or like...
It sounded better in my head. I had this thing in my head.
Did it sound like...
Like, it's from something. So do I just have to guess the center because this is giving me anxiety?
Yeah, I think so. Why? What do you have anxiety?
It has to be perfect.
Oh, you can't be perfect with alcohol ink. I've never done this before, and I know that.
Everyone pay attention to the color he picked.
I have some kind of red Currant. Currant.
Quit saying it's so ugly.
This is definitely like one of those oddly satisfying videos. Oh my god. Did you know Currant is brown? I thought it was red.
Ooh. Ooh.
Good to know. Good to know. Oh, that just like shot right out of there. Oh goodness.
It's not growing like I want it to.
Well, you're leaning to the left there. I mean, not to help you or anything.
I know. I don't know what to do about that. You leveled this, but I don't think you did a great job.
Hey!
You're leaning too.
I am definitely leaning.
Yours looks kind of like an eyeball.
Whoa. Oh, whoa, look at the blue seeping out and cracking the gold. At first I was like, the blue's not doing anything, but then I changed my mind. It is. I feel like it has stopped spreading. What do we do about that?
I don't know. I added some more clear.
Clear resin? No way. Did that help?
Okay, well now I have starfish. What do you got going on over here? You know, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
But then something happened.
Yours looks bright and pretty. Mine's trying to be the opposite of that. Does yours keep sucking up all the resin? Okay.
Well, I think it's the alcohol.
I have made a masterpiece. So
I'm loving that.
the rim. Yours has a really cool rim too.
Yeah. I think we went overboard.
We might have.
I think I'm not done yet.
I think we went overboard. But I'm not done yet.
Okay, so I'm not loving this gold chunk, and I just did this. Like, what's happening?
Whoa.
I don't know if it's a good or a bad move, but we'll see.
Oh, it just keeps like going.
Good.
I feel like I made like a lily pad that has like a fungus problem. You know? So, who wins this one? Moldy Donut? Or Space Donut? It looks like a donut too.
Two.
Round two.
Two. If you could hear what's in my head, you'd understand.
Enough resin. Now, how about this time I pick your colors and you pick mine?
Okay. But no.
But no? Alright, you pick my colors. And I'll try to be nice to you.
This is hard. Oh yeah. This is a perfect waste of 4 ounces of resin.
What? We made amazing donuts together.
That's true.
I do not care what they say. I think they're amazing.
Nope. Not allowed.
Do you shake these? Is that like a thing?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do it anyways.
I know, I do it anyway, but I don't think I have to.
One heavy on this dark forest green. I made that up. Meadow. I was close.
Wait, yours looks really good. How'd you get it so dendrite-y?
I just put colors down.
Oh, I did too.
My yellow is gone. Oh, where'd that? Nah, I dribbled a little. Nerds.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world. And gentlemen,
Whoa, look at that. That's so neat.
You can stop anytime.
Yeah, I mean, I can. But can I? You know what I feel like I need right now? Like a Street Fighter headband. Round
Versus?
one. Round two. Such and such words. I think these high drops are giving me some cool effects. Like dropping it from
I was wondering
further
about
up.
that.
Yalla.
How'd yours get so big?
They look about the same, just mine's more center. I really like the outside edge of mine.
Well,
I don't want to mess
leave
with it too much.
and then we'll put another layer. Well, this is done, skis.
Alright, I think I'm good
Actually,
here.
yours is looking a lot better.
So here's our dry results of the Inky alcohol resin test a couple days later so you can see what they look like.
I really like how they turned out. I know this one though will need a top coat. You can see some bare canvas in there. But that was also our biggest takeaway, that the alcohol ink likes to eat the resin.
Yum. If you want to try this yourself, we've got a full list of supplies and tools right down below. My God.
If you have any comments or questions, drop them below and let us know who you think won.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this one, be sure to
boop that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. You can see my pieces.
Okay, I need cue cards.
For like one line?
Let me try the and more art line.
Okay.
Okay. Stop making that face.
I can't. That's my face. Hello, we're Donnie and Angela from... Whoa. Light flickered. Alright, we got this. That felt very weird coming out my mouth.
I wasn't listening.
Whoo. If you like...
Oh, that face.
Maybe Puppy thinks we're insane. Alright.
Puppy's right.
Alright, so for real?
Will you please cut all of that?
No.
No.
I
I
can't.
need to have the understanding that you will cut anything I want for me to...
I will cut anything
I have no idea what...
embarrassing or incriminating.